he gon' catch up.
Right. Bro, look at the beautiful day outside.
Beautiful day outside.
153 so
Out here today, going cliff jumping. You know the vibes. Right now.
about to see what's up, bro.
Come on.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck, you jump first.
Come on, boy. Come on, boy.
Why am I being a bitch? Oh, shit.
Big ass.
We good? Oh, yeah. We good? Oh, yeah.
Hey, Key, fuck these niggas up. DJ Beats, you bitch. You gotta motherfucking feel this shit, boy.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt.
I'll count down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, get on this side, I wanna be on this side. Too. I wanna be on this side. Fine. I wanna go. Holy shit. Step my time.
Sure is.
Eli, jump, bitch.
Woohoo!
Alright, I swim, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Successful ass cliff jump.
Successful.
Yes, sir.
Ski.
Stay.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I can't comprehend anything you're saying. I'm not a geographer type of guy.
Bro, but that's crazy, right?
Yeah, that is crazy.
It says the United States, Great Britain, and Nigeria are all example of states. How the fuck is the United States a state if it's a country?
You learn something new every day.
That's what I'm saying.
I didn't know that today, and I learned that.
About to go to In-N-Out right now. About to film a motherfucking mukbang for y'all. Stay tuned.
To these slides, he done on that nigga, now he easy to get judged.
My person, no.
What we eating, boys?
I don't even
I
know.
don't even fucking know what this place is.
Roberto's.
Roberto's Taco Shop.
Roberto's.
What'd you get, Chris? What'd you get?
I got 2 soft tacos, bro. Carnitas.
I got a chicken quesadilla.
I got a motherfucking shrimp. You're about to fuck this shit up.
All right, we got some Roberto's. Fat ass. This shit
I got
looks
me
like
the same thing, but shrimp.
I got chicken.
I got 2 tacos.
Gonna see what this.
Oh, my shit's falling out.
This question.
Would you rather suck your dad's dick or let your mom die?
Fucking my dad's dick.
Yeah, I'm sucking that
Fucking
shit.
my dad.
I'm oh man.
Schwab.
Full homo nigga. I'm making that nigga come 2 seconds.
Hey, yo.
My mom ain't dying. I swear.
Clip it.
Hey, just delete that clip, yeah.
We're leaving that in. Oh, boy.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. That's just gonna explode.
Listen.
Hold up.
Some people listen. That's crazy.
See your footage, bro.
We know, so
Oh,
we were
no,
sitting
yeah.
in the car eating and recording a video, but you can hear it happening.
you can hear it in the back.
And
Here,
then
you
we
can't
came
see
out.
it.
What happened here, sir?
I don't know, bro. We were just eating.
We're gonna tap into Chris
Oh,
down in
look,
San Diego.
we got a firefighter on the way.
Seems like Brody was on some drugs.
Hey, just look at him.
Hey, just
Look at him.
shoot him.
I don't think you can park there.
I ran on my Benz, but I'll still run off on a plug. She up in my DMs, expect me to give a fuck. I can't cuff that hoe, her nigga is a her, bro. I'ma sell out shows, gon' kick close to the curb, bro. Never gon' forget when bitches used to tell me I cannot progress, so these freakos, they got hurt. I got in my closet, she fuck with my fashion and she fuck with my deposits.